I'm sure if you know what this is, you own a 7.3 Power Stroke. John Diesel and Auto Performance here. This truck was towed in for no start. We diagnosed it. It took us about only 2 days just to find out a failed IPR valve and an H-pop. We were able to plug off the H-pop fully over here. Use the dummy plug from Tractor Supply or something, plug it off completely. It was only building 200 ICP and needs minimum 500 to fire up. As everybody knows, these IPRs, the dealer doesn't make them anymore. They're discontinued like years back. And we went through about 7 of these to find out which one works. And I'll give you guys a part number. We used one from Advanced Auto CarQuest. That one was bad right out of the box. We used the Duralast one that was bad right out of the box. This is the other one, and we used also a standard ignition one, also bad out of the box. This is the part number right here. Part number's right here. Looks like a GP Sorensen 800-427. It's the only IPR I got to work. OEM one doesn't work. Nothing else works. Let's see. I don't know where the invoice is, but it's one of these anyways. But yeah. So here's the part number. This is the only ones that works on these 7.3s. If you didn't know, now you know. Nobody makes IPRs anymore. Only AutoZone. They make 3 of them. Standard ignition, Dorman, and that other part number I just showed you. And we got that third one to finally work. Pretty easy. Got it all snipped up. Cleaned everything off. Customer's gonna be happy. Still not running right. We have to swap the driver's side valve covers. Not communicating with the injectors. Other than that, customer's happy. He will be on his way. Just so y'all know, IPRs are not able to get from the dealership anymore.